Home to more than 7,000 islands, the Philippines has innumerable picturesque attractions for every type of traveler. While that already make it a paradise for nature admirers, what makes it a heaven for wildlife enthusiasts are the nature parks. Brimming with natural beauty and thrilling experiences, these parks are the ultimate spots to visit if you're an explorer at heart. If you are a nature lover who is exuberant at the sight of natural environment, come visit Athena Nature Park and Resort. Have you ever felt the desire to slip away from the busy metropolis and go to a place which seems to be a back to the simple yet peaceful days vibe? It is as if you want to take a day or two in a place where you could relax and refresh your tired body and mind. If you haven't found a place like this yet, then I will recommend to you one of the best relaxing heavens in the Bicol Region. Located at Barangay Dagotdotan, San Lorenzo Ruiz in Camarines Norte, Athena Nature Park and Resort can offer you of the most convenient out-of-town getaway you could ever think of. This nature park and resort is listed as a tourist attraction, a cool place and easily accessible, perfect for a nature trip with friends and loved ones. Sky above, earth below, and peace within. The nature park is committed to providing you a relaxing experience, and that means ensuring you get just that weather during the day or night. And whether you're outdoors or staying indoors, they did a few more upgrades, including more photo spots, refreshed rooms and cottages, and also created a lovely night vibes of the resort for you to enjoy. Visitors and tourists alike can enjoy the cooling tropic ambience. Old and tall trees abound with recreational areas, picnic and camping grounds. Around the area are different options which you could choose from. Beneath the gentle sunlight, by the cool river and towering trees, you'll find the native houses. It is a place where you are surrounded by nature, where you can forget the city's hustle and bustle. It's a tranquil and peaceful spot to relax, reflect, and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. They also have cottages for large families. They cottages are also available. There is no need for you to worry that you might get hungry, since bringing your own food is allowed in the resort. If you want to experience the same level of peace and fun that I had, then include Athena Nature Park and Resort into your bucket list of places to travel in Bicolandia. The place, the cool air, the rushing waters in the river offers a fantastic vacation opportunity for everyone. The air is clean and the breezes are therapeutic, far better than the heat and humidity of the city. Simple and clean, just like how the nature should be. Breathe in fresh air and take a refreshing dip in the river. The park is completing the whole resort experience by adding a pool that still fits very well to the nature vibes. The place really promised a great way to chill and relax. The cool breeze, The wide array of plants and trees, and the mesmerizing flow of the waters in the river that makes the place really serene. Need a breath of fresh air and a dip in cool waters? Or you want to distress and relax? Athena Nature Park and Resort offers a quiet and peaceful return to nature experience. It is a relaxing place and a perfect getaway experience for nature lovers and those who just want to enjoy the amazing view of nature. It is a destination one would surely enjoy, away from the bustling sound, populated and air-polluted city. Visit Athena Nature Park and Resort. It is a nice, quiet resort that may not have all the flashy attractions of other resorts, but it is perfect for people who want a simpler, down-to-earth experience. We all need a break. Take a simple getaway. Have a refreshing time with nature, because a trip with nature never disappoints.